Alright, we're on Portage Lake. It's November 4th, 2023, 6:15 in the morning. Got a little bit of a late start, later than I wanted, so I just decided to come here so I'd have the most time to fish that I could. Had to spend some time messing around with the trailer lights, weren't working right, so a little slow starting off this morning, but dead calm. Water temperatures are 47 here by the launch, so we're just going to start off with a black spinnerbait, work around the shoreline for a while, fishing the drop, and see if we can get anything on the black spinnerbait to go. Hopefully it's going to be good. It's just going to be cloudy today. It's not too bad, 45 degrees or so right now, so it's kind of a nice morning. Yeah, hoping for good things. Stay tuned. It's a nice bass. He came off just trying to get the net. Should have just swung him in, I guess, but I feel like I had him hooked good, and I did not. Probably a 3-pounder, I'm guessing. Didn't need the net for that guy, but after losing the first one, now we can just swing him in. Oh, 18 1/4, fish number 2. It's probably the same size as the one we lost, I'm guessing. There we go. Nice 18 1/4, 2.84. Second bite of the morning on black spinnerbait. Time I was fishing it just a little bit deeper and just kind of working it down as close as I could to the 10-foot zone that I'm in, and I got a bite, so I might have to do that a little bit more. Cast to a splash and caught a fish. I was pulling hard and broke off. So tie on another spinnerbait for now. 1 for 3 with the spinnerbait. It's not what I wanted this morning. At least we're getting bites. Pretty good one. Ready. Come on, buddy. Just want to take a picture. Lost too many fish so far today. Yeah, that's a good one. He's hooked a little on the side. He kind of missed it. 18 1/2 incher. Chunky 3.65 though. Chunky fish. About the same size as the other one, almost a pound more. Been eating. KVD 1.5 deep we've been using. Just picked it up and thrown it about 10 minutes so far. Marked a lot of fish here in 16 feet of water. A few casts with the A-rig. Scare up a couple big fish. Trying to scare them. Back to the crankbait for a little bit. Keep working along this drop off, I guess. We're gonna go back around the point where we lost the one fish earlier on the black spinnerbait and try blade bait around it. See if we can get something out deep. I feel like I'm marking quite a bit of stuff in 20 to 25 feet, so I don't know. Fish what I just drove over with the blade bait, try out here. Spot real quick, blade bait, and we're gonna go home and cry. Probably not, but actually we should be out again Monday, all day hopefully. So try a couple lakes maybe and fish with Jake, muskie fisherman. So maybe we'll get some muskie action on film finally. But, all right, let's try one more spot. Last cast. Now I wanted today to go. I started off pretty good, a couple fish right away, and lost another big one by the point on the black spinnerbait. So black spinnerbait had 3 on, only caught 1, and then I got that one on a crankbait. I marked fish, probably a lot of bait, crappie, bluegill, stuff like that, out in 20-25 feet of water, quite a bit. So I stuck with this blade bait for a good hour, and just nothing on it, not a bite, nothing. Probably should have tried other stuff. That's all right. All right, thanks for watching. Click subscribe and have a good day. Hopefully Monday's good.